Hey homesteaders, it is the end of January and I am opening up our low hoop house because we're supposed to get some above freezing and wet weather for the next week or so, and I wanted to give everybody the chance to get some rain and just weather exposure, and I thought I'd give you guys an update on how this part of the garden is doing. This is a bunch of kale. We overwinter our kale so we can harvest it all winter long just by pulling up the plastic and getting in there. If you're interested in doing something like this, know that it is much better to have more water jugs in here. Normally I would put I would circle each area of kale with jugs of water to help maintain a constant temperature in here, but this year I just did a 5-gallon open bucket of water, lots of leaf litter. The kale is fine because it's hardy. It would survive the winter without this protection, but we wouldn't really be able to harvest over the winter so much. So we just do this so that we can easily harvest the stuff. Otherwise, in our area, it usually gets compacted with snow, and then it's just not, it'll come back, but you can't have it over the winter, and we like it. So I'm going to check and see how some of my new perennials did. This is purple sage. Looks like it's doing all right. This is feverfew. I think it'll come back. We'll let you know later. Back there we've got some random onions, and this seemingly dead monster is actually fennel, and it will come back and be as tall as me. It's a beast. I love this guy. Let's see if my chamomile is still alive. Ooh, I think it'll come back. This is a perennial chamomile. There are a couple of different types of chamomiles, and not all of them will come back. So this is my first year experimenting with one that comes back because I get tired of resowing it every year. So everything's looking good. I'm actually going to pull the plastic the rest of the way off so these guys can get a little bit of sunshine before the next week of rain, which is weird that we're getting a bunch of rain, but instead of snow. But we are. So we're going to take advantage, give it a good deep watering, let it get some of one of them has some aphids, so should hopefully help wash off some of those aphids. And then if the cold comes back, or if we get snow, we'll cover it up, keep on trucking. All right.